Hey, this is JD and FIA. I want to show you 3 different ways that you can end a 4-5-6 chord progression. All right, so we're in the key of G flat here. All right, I have my 4, my 5, my 6. All right, and then usually from here, you're gonna want to go somewhere else. So if we were going to my 5, to my 6, this time that's my 3. All right, so when I got to that 3, I'm playing a B flat chord here. We got B flat 7. All right, so I got B flat on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, D flat, G flat. All right, so the first way, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then that chord there. Second way, not gonna be on here long at all, just showing you these chords real quick. Second way, you can take it 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. All right, so 7. I'm playing a D flat major over F. 1, I'm playing G flat major. Then I'm going to that same B flat chord to my 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Back to it. All right. Third way, I can go here with it. All right. Coming out to 7, going to a E flat major chord. Usually if we play E flat in this key, we're playing it as an E flat minor. All right. All right. I'm gonna play E flat major over G with D in the left hand. So I got G, D, G, B flat, E flat. Then it goes good to B major. So in context, 5, 6, right here, 7, E flat, back to that B. All right. You can also, do that. So. Like that. So yeah, I didn't spell out every chord, just assuming you knew it. All right. All right, I'll go to C real quick. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the chord. It's gonna be that A major chord over C sharp. Back to the 4. This time, I go down to the 3. To that 3 right there. This time I walk it up 7, 1, 3, 4. 7, 1. All right, 3, 4. All right. So no matter what key you in, you're doing the same thing. You're just going from the 4, 5, 6, and then you can either go to the 3. I like that chord there. All right, play it as a 7 chord. All right, you can go to the 3, or you can go to the 7, 1, and then 3, 4. All right, or you can go to that. We'll call that it's really a sharp 1 chord, but it's gonna be that 6 major. All right, whatever the 6 is in your key, play it as a major chord in this inversion. All right, so yeah, hope that helped. Just want to share a few ideas with you. Thanks for watching.